What is stalkerware? Understand, detect, and remove. Did you know that 1 in 4 stalking victims have experienced some form of cyberstalking? The integration of the internet and social media has led to an increase in crimes like stalking, and one tool that stalkers use is stalkerware. Stalkerware is a type of spyware that secretly monitors a person's device activity without their knowledge or consent. It allows the stalker to track their victim's movements, messages, phone calls, emails, and even their social media activity. It collects data like GPS location, call logs, text messages, photos and videos, web browsing history, and app activity. Some stalkerware even tracks the victim's keystrokes, giving the stalker access to their passwords and personal information. Now, you may be wondering, how is stalkerware installed? Well, in most cases, the person installing it has direct physical access to the victim's device, like a spouse, parent, or friend. However, stalkers can also install stalkerware remotely through phishing emails, malicious links, or even disguised as innocent apps in app stores. But don't worry, there are ways to protect yourself. In order to detect and remove stalkerware, you need to be aware of the signs and take action. It's important to regularly check your device for any unfamiliar apps, unusual battery drain, or strange behavior. You can also use anti-malware software to scan your device for stalkerware. Remember, your safety and privacy are paramount. If you suspect that you're a victim of stalkerware, take immediate action by contacting law enforcement and seeking help from professionals who specialize in dealing with cyber stalking cases. Stay safe and protect yourself from stalkerware. Learn more about how to detect and remove stalkerware by visiting our website today. Whatismyip.com.